Soccer 605, we're visiting with Caleb Dillinger, one of the men's soccer team players here at South Dakota School of Mines and Technology from Buffalo, Wyoming, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what program are you pursuing for your degree?
I'm a double major. I'm a mechanical and metallurgical engineer.
Mechanical and metallurgical. Is metallurgical where you take stuff and turn it into gold?
Well, not per se, but it's working with metal alloys and whatnot, developing new ones and testing existing ones already.
Well, you know, if someone could do that and turn it into gold, we know what would be happening here. Caleb, what made you choose coming to School of Mines and Technology?
Really just the program. I was looking at going into engineering, and at first I wanted to go into aerospace engineering and work on spaceships and whatnot. But all the schools that offer that are really expensive and too far away, and this was close to home, and it's a super program, and the price is amazing for the education that we get here.
Well, in aerospace engineering, you're always wondering about funding, but when it comes to the other types of engineering, it's always going to be happening, right?
Oh, yes, for sure. And I decided, you know, if I wanted to pursue my aerospace degree, I could always pursue it as a higher degree, maybe master's or a doctorate, because mechanical engineering is so close to what we do in the aerospace field.
Caleb, I understand you were playing club soccer before the men's soccer program started. Is that right?
Yes, it is. I got here last year. It was my first year, and I decided I wanted to keep playing soccer, at least just keep myself in shape maybe and whatnot. And I started playing club ball, and I enjoyed the guys I played with, and I heard that we were getting a soccer team for this year, and I decided, you know, I'll at least play 1 year and help them get it started and whatnot.
Well, we're thrilled that you're participating in the program and that the program is here. From your perspective in choosing School of Mines, for someone else that is interested in looking at engineering, what are some of the things that they should consider, and what would you give for them as advice on making that choice?
Well, I would say that it really depends on the type of engineering. If you want to go into any earth engineering or civil mechanical, this place it's one of the best in the Midwest. Wyoming has a great engineering program too, and it was a decent price, but it couldn't compare with what they have here. It's just so focused on engineering. Even my English classes, they focus on engineering and writing technical reports and whatnot. So I got here, and it's like perfect for what I need to be doing. So, and if anybody that's looking into it, I'd say just come visit and get to know some of the people around the campus, talk with the professors. They're all great people. I loved every single one of them last year, and so far this year it's going great too.
Well, that's good to hear. I was visiting with Blake earlier, and he said you guys have some plans for the winter. What are some of the activities you can do as a student here when you're not playing soccer and going to class?
Oh, well, depends on the winter. Last year's winter was kind of terrible. We didn't get a lot of snow, but usually we have enough snow. You know, you can go skiing, you can just hit up a little sledding hill, or they got a lot of wind, so there's a lot of drifts around. You can build snow caves in and whatnot.
That's changing seasons are kind of a nice touch to have, aren't they?
Oh, yes, I love it. Go from summer where it's kind of nice and warm, and then you get into fall. The beginning of it's always really hot, but then this time of year it's great, and then get the colors changing in the trees, and then get into winter. And I always love winter. It's one of my favorite seasons. Get to play in the snow and just tromp around.
Well, and fall has got to be one of our favorite seasons, primarily because that's when high school and college soccer start.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean, in Buffalo we had soccer in the spring, but it was always tough to play in the spring because Wyoming weather is so terrible, and we always had snow, so we're playing in the snow. And here we're playing in the fall, and it's great weather. I mean, we don't have to worry about games getting canceled.
Well, I think as the season progresses, you may have a game or two that you get to play in the snow, but I doubt that they'll get canceled.
Oh yeah, for sure. I don't think we're going to get any big storms that early.
Well, Caleb, one of the other things I think in talking with students in the past about their choices for picking a college is they always want to know what that guy-to-girl ratio is. Now, I know what it used to be here at Tech. Has it gotten any better?
Well, I think last year it was 6-1. So this year it did get a little bit better. There were a lot more freshmen that came in, and the freshman class was almost 1-1. So that brought it down. I think it's maybe 5-1 now.
Well, it does help that there's a lot more emphasis on the math and sciences for girls now.
Yeah, for sure. And there's a lot more girls starting to get into it. And as engineers, we need that broad range of that age difference and the gender difference. I mean, girls think about different things than guys do, and guys think about different things. And with engineers, you got to think about everything. You're covering so much of it in safety. I mean, you can't leave anything out. Somebody might die from it.
Yeah, and it is important, and there are different things that people bring. And that's, I think, one of the beauties of this campus is not only the gender differences, but you have a lot of cultural differences, multicultural population here that bring up some other perspectives as well, right?
Oh, yes, for sure. Like Blake said earlier, there's people from all around the world here. And even natively, we've got a lot of native students here.
Well, it's great to see the school expanding and the school student body expanding. We, of course, are very excited about the college soccer program. What position do you play?
Oh, Coach has been playing me at forward. In high school, I played defense, and he tried me at forward, and it's kind of suited me. I like it. Get to run around a little bit more.
So are you going to name your first goal that you score after Soccer 605?
You know, maybe I will.
All right, we'll be watching for that Soccer 605 goal, and we'll post it up this weekend.
All right, thank you very much.
Thanks for your time, Caleb. Take care, and good luck this weekend.
Thank you.